I got these 12-volt male plugs. They're really good. Fit in the sockets nice. I'm adding the toggle switch off and on. I'll plug into the RV power, get the diesel heater running, then I'll turn the power station on. I ran extra cables so I got good power, no line loss. And then I'll hit the on-off button and get after the glow plug shuts off, then this will run like 10 watts. It should run. This is first try. Turn the Rockpals power station on. I'm getting ready to shut the toggle switch off, take it off the RV batteries to get the glow plug running. Seven watts. So now I've shut off the RV power. I used it to get the glow plug started. Now the unit is running off my Rockpals. 7, 10 watts, 12 watts. So it works. Basically, I'm getting a battery assist off the solar batteries, RV batteries, to run the glow plug. Setting 2. Setting 3, you can see the watts going up. So that's what I did, added a toggle switch, another male plug. This is for the start the glow plug, or I can run it off the RV and not use the power station, but it's more flexible now. 18 watts, running on 3. And it's a success.